Oh. Oh, what did you say?
Mami, thank you.
What did you say, Sayon?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, what did you say kay Mommy? Andrew. Pudot.
Thank you, Mami.
Loko-lokohan. Ang daming sasabihin.
Nay, bigyan mo na to. Nay, kain ka na, Nay.
I just wanted to say that I just wanted to say that thank you and I love you even though it's not my birthday. And I wish this was my birthday though. Thank you very much.
May pinggan pa? Oo, madaming pinggan. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Casey, yung pinggan. Tinatapakan mo na. Upo ka na. Upo ka dyan. Upo ka, bibigyan ka ng ano. Bibigyan ka ni Mama. Bigyan mo din to.